Patrol Lieutenant Yeager, please, you're here, okay. This is 3 years of service for the Southern Polytechnic State University and Police Department. Lieutenant Yeager has demonstrated strong critical incident management skills and acts of merit. On June 7, 2010, he responded to a possible child drowning at the university's wellness center. Lieutenant Yeager found the child lying beside the pool, gasping for air. He maintained the child's airway until paramedics arrived. The child was hospitalized and later released without permanent injury. On May 12, 2011, in response to a fire alarm in an apartment, Lieutenant Yeager heard a faint sound inside the unit. He obtained emergency access to the smoke-filled apartment to find an unattended toddler in the kitchen, panicked and coughing. Lieutenant Yeager was able to remove the child from the building to the ambulance. Lieutenant Yeager is widely known as the first to volunteer for unscheduled duties and assignments, and his influence on the department can be seen through various programs and techniques. He developed an improved dispatch training program. His traffic enforcement techniques have made morning watch the leading shift in traffic stops for 2011, and he has developed a numbering plan for all security cameras and emergency notification speakers on campus to more efficiently service the devices. When tasked to reduce the underage drinking activities on campus, Lieutenant Yeager used his campus community contacts and proactive patrol practices to detect and reduce underage drinking activity and illegal drug use. Lieutenant Yeager showed incredible professionalism in saving the lives of 2 individuals. Thank you for your bravery.